Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to add Pine script in TradingView. If this is your first time using TradingView, click Get Started and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Adding a script to TradingView is especially useful for technical analysis and algorithmic trading, as Pine script allows you to create custom indicators and trading strategies tailored to your specific trading style. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and select any market or crypto pair you want to analyze. At the bottom of the screen, locate the panel that includes options like Stock Screener, Pine Editor, Strategy Tester, and Trading Panel. Click on Pine Editor, as this is where you can add or edit scripts. From here, you can give your script a title and paste in the Pine script code you want to use, whether it's your own custom script or one you've copied from another source. After pasting the code, click Save to store it. Using Pine script allows you to go beyond TradingView's built-in indicators by analyzing price action and market trends with your own logic and methods. You can also automate parts of your trading strategy, set up alerts based on specific conditions, and receive notifications when trading opportunities match your criteria. In addition, Pine script supports strategy backtesting, which lets you simulate how a strategy would have performed using historical data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.